In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail in Lovable in 2026. To get started, head over to Lovable and make sure you're on the main dashboard or homepage. This is where you'll manage integrations, connections, and other workspace tools. If you've just signed in, take a moment to let the page fully load so all navigation options are visible. Once you're on the homepage, look through the main menu and click on Connectors. This section is where Lovable lets you link outside services to your account, and Gmail is one of the available options there. Opening the connectors area will show you the list of apps and services you can work with. From here, find Gmail in the connectors list and click on it. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. Make sure you choose Gmail specifically so you open the correct connection setup page. After that, click on Add Connection. This tells Lovable that you want to create a new Gmail connection instead of editing an existing one. If you've connected Gmail before, this is also the place where multiple connections may appear, so be sure you're adding the one you want. Next, check the display name field. This is usually the label Lovable will use to identify your Gmail connection inside your workspace. It's a good idea to confirm that the name makes sense and is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to connect more than one account. Then review the setting for who can use this connection. This controls whether the connection is limited to you or available more broadly within the workspace, depending on the options Lovable provides. Take a second here to choose carefully, since this affects access and how the connection can be used going forward. Once those details look right, click on Connect. This will begin the authorization process and hand things off so you can securely link your Gmail account. From there, connect your Gmail email address and follow the prompts on screen. You may be asked to sign in to your Google account, choose the correct account if you have more than one, and approve the requested permissions. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what access is being granted before continuing. After you complete the prompts, your Gmail connection should be linked inside Lovable. At that point, you're all set and ready to use Gmail through the platform. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a few seconds to refresh and check the connectors section again.